So we talked about like surplus and about how people back then didn't have it because it required too much extra work. And it just like, it took up space, it took up time to take care of people's surplus and to either get rid of it or use it. And so people just chose not to have it, which is completely and 100% understood, because why keep 1,000 bundles of grain when you only need 4? It's heavy, it costs money, it rots, so then sometimes you don't know, sometimes you get sick. So it could all end up being a weird problem. But we also talked about people being sedentary, and they very much weren't all that sedentary. Like, they were sedentary to the point to where like they would look around their area for what food that they could get, and then they would move on and like find somewhere else, which is also back to the surplus thing. They chose not to have surplus so they can move whenever they needed to or pleased. So it just like, yeah, that was about it. It wasn't much of a hard week for that one. That one made a lot of sense.